Good morning, children. This is our third class of GK, class 5. So, in our last class, we have read chapter number 3, that is commonly confused animals. Animals which look like same, but in real they are different. So, I hope you all have completed this chapter, as I have given you some homeworks to write the names of the different creatures. Today we'll start our chapter number 4, animals in cold regions. So first you write here classwork and today's date. Today is 21/04/20, April 2020. Yes, now we'll read about animals live in cold regions. Can you imagine stepping out in chill and snowy weather without your warm clothes? So, in winters also, what we used to do? We used to wear woolen clothes, jackets, etc. to keep ourselves warm. And it's unimaginable, but there are many animals who survive in extremely cold weather without any warm clothes on. Animals don't put clothes. So, there are certain animals who live in extremely cold weather, and that is also without clothes. So, we know Arctic and Antarctic regions are the coldest region of the globe. Now, find out the names of animals living in cold regions in the word search. See, animals are given, pictures of different animals are given, and we have to take out the name from this word search. Okay, see, first I have done for you, this is walrus. Okay, walrus is the animal which we find in the Arctic region. Then polar bear, more is there. See, seal is also there. Then Arctic hare, then muskox, then Arctic fox. In this way you have to complete this table. You have to find out the other names which you can see here in this word table, and you have to find out the name of the animals live in the cold regions. Now move to the second page. Next page is animal quiz. So we'll go through these questions to see what is our knowledge about the animals. Take this animal quiz to find out how much you know about animals. Okay, so this is your homework. You write here homework and today's date. Now, question number 1. Which animal spent its life upside down? See, here's the animal who always live upside down. What is the name of this animal? This is sloth. Spelling is SLOTH. This animal is sloth. Then, which is called the king of the fishes? Whale, shark. Okay, shark. Which bird sings the sweetest song? Nightingale. Now, in this way, you have to complete this page. Like, which is the only animal that cannot jump? We know elephant is the heaviest animal on land, and elephants unable to jump. Now, in this way, you have to find out and you have to complete this page. This is very easy. Okay, you just have to go through the questions well. Like, which animal has the shortest lifespan? We know na, and that mayfly which we see at the time of rainy season, when it rains the next or day or in the evening, so many flies are there, but their lifespan is just for 1 day. So this is the shortest lifespan animal. Okay, then this, which creature uses light to communicate? We all call it Jugnu. Yes, So womb, crab womb. Now turn to the next page. This is a tidbits which you should know about this animals too. Okay, you just have to go through it. See, Yeti crab, cleaners of the sea. See, this is Yeti crab. What is so unique in this Yeti crab? The Yeti crab, a distant relative of the hermit crab. So they are also, there is also relative there in the crab families also. So uses its furry arms to sweep up food particles from the sea floor. So on the floor of the sea there are food particles. This Yeti crabs, see, Yeti crabs have furry arms. So from this furry arms it sweep up the food particles. Then cat whiskers. You know what is the meaning of whiskers? Have you seen this long these whiskers here? Mooch. The cats, this is known as whiskers. A cat uses its whiskers to determine if a space is too small to squeeze through. The whiskers act as feelers or antenna, helping the animal to judge the size of the passage that animal's cat will be able to pass from that way or not. This whiskers give him the network to find out. In this way only you have to read about the fish with a transparent hat, then spitting spider and beaver's teeth. See, so till here you have to read and you have to know about these animals. So your today's work is to complete this word search and to complete this animal quiz. I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. It is something different, you should know. Okay, now see you in the next class. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. See you.